Hello, in the last video I was using a lot of Josephine knots and I was passing my shuttle through the ring of the Josephine knot before closing it, often called posting the shuttle. And I wanted to just do a quick video to show you the difference between posting the shuttle and not posting the shuttle on Josephine knots. So we're going to make just a little bit of chain to get us started, so we can do the Josephine knots as thrown rings as they were in the pattern I was using in the previous video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to make 2 normal Josephine knots and 2 where I pass the shuttle through, where I post the shuttle, and then we'll examine the difference. So I'm going to make 10 half stitches in each of my Josephine knots. And I do try not to pull those knots, those half knots, very tight when I make Josephine knots, because I think it gives them a bit more width and they look nicer. And now I've forgotten to count, so I don't know where I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to close it normally. So here's one. I'm going to make one more. So I'll do 3 stitches in between of chain 1, 2, 3. And a second Josephine knot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as you can see as well, if you want a nice round Josephine knot, it's important to try to keep the height of each half stitch really the same as the one before. 8, 9, 10. So I'll slow down a bit to make sure I don't pull too hard so they're all the same size. So here's the second one, and 3 more half stitches. Oh, sorry, and 3 more stitches to the chain, I meant to say. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to make the knots where I post the shuttle through before closing the ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I went slightly wrong here. You can see it's not, the edge is not great. And also when you're making Josephine knots, it tends to untwist the thread that you're working on, because the stitch is always going the same way, because we're only using the second half. See, that's not a very good one. I don't like the edge here, but hopefully it still works for the demonstration of posting or not posting. One, 2, 3, and that. So one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm passing the shuttle through and closing the ring. And I'll just make 3 more stitches on the chain. 1, 2, 3. So we can examine the difference. I think I'll put it in my hand, it's probably a better contrast. So it is not a giant difference, but I still think there is one. If you look at the edge, the end of the ring on the first 2, where I didn't post the shuttle, it tends to twist a little bit towards the back. So you sort of lose that last half stitch or so, and it has slightly twisted, whereas where you post the shuttle, I think the circle is more complete and you see all the stitches, and I just think it looks rounder. So it's not a massive difference. It's up to you whether you think it's worth it or not. Worth it enough to add that little extra step before closing your ring. But that is why I post the shuttle on Josephine knots. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.